Riwruog lakteche e pacho ka KMPDU chiwo ndalo 7 ne tend kaunti ma Nakuru, Laikipia kod Kajiado mondo okete tim mapiyo winjruok mane obedo e kindgi ma ok kawo kamano to gibiro dhi e ng'anyo kendo rocho chenro mag thieth e kauntis go. Koloso Nakuru, jagoro maduong' mar KMPDU Davjatela onyiso ng'ur mare kaluwore ni lakteche e kauntis 3 go osebedo ka yudo chudo magi ka moko bende pok ochor e lemo mamalo mar tich kaluwore kod kaka ne giwinjore. KMPDU okoni ka ndalo 7 okalo ma kauntis go ok ochopo winjruok margi to jokanyo maggi biro dhi e ng'anyo kendo rocho chenro mag thieth e kauntis 3 go.
So it's upon the governments of these 3 counties to honor the return to work agreement that we signed. It's upon them to promote the doctors. It's upon them to pay wages on time. It's upon them to remit state deduction. Otherwise, we can say that doctors will be on strike until those things are implemented. It is an injustice for the consultants in Nakuru to be paid like interns while they're posted as consultants. It's an injustice for doctors to be casualized in Laikipia. It is an injustice for doctors to labor and work so hard and cannot see their salaries in Kajiado. So these strikes that begin on 24th of this month will take place unless these counties honor their part of agreement. And I want to reiterate that these counties, once this return to work agreement was signed, these counties, once we had the court order delivered, they went into slumberland. They have not cared about these particular doctors, and we're not going to care anymore. It's upon them now to take action.